Welcome back. Today, self-reported attribution, response rate benchmarks, channel patterns, and the playbook. It's just asking buyers, how did you hear about us at the right moment? Done well, it adds 20 to 35% pipeline visibility for almost no cost. Here's why it's the highest ROI dark funnel measure. Platforms, UTMs, and pixels see only 50 to 70% of pipeline. Self-reported adds another 20 to 35. Peers, AI search, podcasts, Slack combined 75 to 95% visibility for a fraction of what attribution platforms cost. Response rate depends on setup. A sales discovery question tops out at 85 to 95%. A drop down alone, 78 to 88, high volume, low precision. The free text plus drop down hybrid, 70 to 82, the best practice. Optional fields and email surveys drop far lower. So run the winning combo. A hybrid form field at the demo form gets 70 to 82%. A mandatory discovery question gets 85 to 95 and goes deeper. Together, 90 to 95% coverage, breadth from the form, depth from the call, where you ask matters. On a high intent demo form, you get 55 to 82% response for only 0 to 3% conversion loss. But a free trial sign up costs 6 to 12% too much. So add it at high intent forms. Skip trial and newsletter signups. Response also varies by role. Directors and senior managers respond most 62 to 78% with real strategic context. VPs and managers are close behind. C-level and individual contributors respond less. And procurement usually just cites the internal champion itself a signal. Now, the channel mix. Peer recommendation still leads at 24 to 32%. Google is declining, LinkedIn, podcasts, and Slack are climbing. But the big story is AI search from 2 to 4% in 2024 to 12 to 22 now. A 5 to 6 times jump, the largest channel shift in dark funnel history. Setup also drives quality. Free text fields name a channel 85 to 95% of the time, and the specific source a third to half. Dropdowns get volume but mostly generic answers. Sales discovery is richest, nearly always a channel, and usually the exact source. So run all three. Against the industry, the gap is discipline. Most skip it or drop in one field and accept generic dropdowns. We run a hybrid field plus mandatory discovery, 90 to 95% coverage. Analyze the free text for specific sources and ship a monthly channel surface report. All at 3,000 a month flat. It shows in the accounts. Price Labs self-reported revealed peers drove 32% of pipeline with zero credit. Reallocating lifted ROAS 350%. Traxi surfaced LinkedIn community and podcast behind 26% of trials. Rocket Lane Discovery found AI search was 18% of demo requests. Bottom line, it's the highest ROI dark funnel measure, 20 to 35% more visibility for almost nothing. Best setup is a hybrid field plus a discovery question. Place it at high intent forms. Directors and VPs give the best signal. AI search is the big mover, and free text is what names the source. Want to see the pipeline you're missing? Book a free 45-minute audit at meetings.hubspot.com/ishanm. We'll find where your attribution goes dark and the moves to make first. Thanks for watching.